Here's one of our latest projects. This has been booked in for some time. 64 VW that's had a chopped roof on it. Very cool looking little car. It's got a few neat little things he's got going on here. He's putting the signal arms that flash out here coming on. It is the rollback. Don't pay attention to this. It is the, if I can lift this up while I'm filming. It's the one with the rollback patch roof. Very cool. He just brought us this in case we need some pieces off it, which is a good idea. So somebody welded a patch in here, as you can see. They kind of overlapped it. I don't know. We might cut that out and fix it properly, right? You know, this one's got to be put in. You can see they've done all the cutting and splicing. I don't know. Anything can be fixed. Obviously, you know, this isn't the best job ever, but I'm not going to knock it. It still looks cool. They've changed a few things on the car, like I say. It needs some body work, but this is quite cool. It'll be a very fun little car. Local car, Abbotsford. So no, we are not finishing the car right off. We're going to do the paint, the welding, the paint, the bodywork. That's it. Not doing interior, not wiring it, not putting an engine in it, none of that. It's going to get that stuff done on it, and that's where it's going to stand. There's no engine in it right now. All the floor pans are done, finished. Looks really good, nice, excellent. A little cramped in here to get in the front, as you can see. So that is it. So you're going to have to follow along on this one. See where it goes. I don't have every detail yet of what he is running for an engine. If he's, you know, had it built up or anything. I don't know. I do believe the back window is an older back window too. I think when they did it, they used a different back window. You know, people like customizing, much like I'm doing to the VW. I don't know, to the VW, God almighty, much too I'm doing to my Model A. I don't know whether this is or not. I'd have to ask him. I mean, I don't know much about little VWs. That looks to me, even maybe one of you guys out there may know, that looks like maybe like a 56 rear window or something. Or maybe that is the right rear window for a 64. I don't know. But whatever's going on, it definitely has a cool stance and looks like a very cool little ride. You know, I like these little VWs. Will I ever own one? Probably not, because they're getting up there for value and price. But I think they're really cool. I would not ever be ashamed to ride in one or have one as a driver. They're just such a neat little ride. And trust me, I have a few ideas what I would do with one of these if I had it. But I can't let you know, because then my secret would be out, right? Okay. Well, anyway, so thanks for watching. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. If you guys are stuck and you're wondering what to do for Christmas, we have t-shirts. We have beanies, we have decals, we have keychains, we have it all. oldtimegarage.ca, you check it out. You'll see my stuff on there. So there is some stuff there, beer cozies, got all those kind of goodies. As you can see here in the glass cabinet, they're all in there. So give us a shout, and maybe we've got something you're looking for. But with that being said, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. We'll see you next time. Hey, wait. Did I just say it's always a good time at Old Time and hang up on you guys? No. We're back again. The video was so short, we may as well continue it on. It's Monday, and we're back on the bug. Or I should say, we're on the bug. So, may as well continue this video a little longer. Didn't put it up last night. Why not add on, right? Got the deck lid off. Mr. Bruce is working away, doing the body work on it. Used a uni spotter, hammered and dollied out some dents. Used a uni spotter, skim coating her up here, skim coating her all on the inside, getting it all nice and purdy. Oh yeah. Mike came along, if you remember. There's a big hole right here. The owner had brought a patch with, but we made our own because ours was in better shape. So Mike did a beautiful job there. He's got that all made up, butt welded in. Nice and smooth. Got that done today. Going on the deck lid. Yeah. Just going along here on the little Bug. I was looking carefully at it. I got to get the owner to write in. Maybe he'll even write in on this video. For those of you interested, he might even write in and tell you. I know the window is from a 50s. I know the Bug's a 64. I know for sure these are from when VWs first came out, right up until the 50s, the little swing out arms. And I know the dash for sure is not the correct dash for this car. Like I say, I'm not a VW guy, but I like them. I think they're cool. And yeah, what else can I say? So we have started on the Chop Top VW. So we're going to do something different now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and keep all my videos in series. I know a lot of times my videos I'm showing you every single thing going on in the shop at once. What I'll do with those ones is I'll go back and I'll call them shop tours. But as far as it goes for this, we'll do the same thing we did with my old beauty back here, the Model A. We're just going to call it part 1 of the VW, part 2 of the VW. That way there, if a video comes up and it says it's about the VW, maybe it doesn't interest you, you don't have to watch it. Save you some time. Maybe you'll want to see the Chevy panel behind me instead. Anyway, here we are, we're back again. Short little add-on to this video, and that's it. So now we're going to say, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks to all you guys that are actually sending me emails and buying shirts and decals and t-shirts. Right on. Thank you. Okay, see you later, guys.